It'd be fun if you did a vlog.
And it would be kind of cheap. We ran inside, got on my roof.
Yes! Can we? That'd be awesome video. Dude, that'd be awesome video.
Get up there.
Come on, let's do it.
No, don't worry. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if I turn it down.
You ready?
No, we can sneak through the house and go to that door.
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Yeah. That'd be...
No, they got it yellow, so ready. Go.
You guys ready?
No, you know what, Ian? Dane's gonna call us cheating. I know it isn't, but he will call it cheating.
Oh, they're ready. Come on. Let's go. What, do you not like the gun?
Because it's dark, dude. That's deep.
Yeah. It's too squishy. Dude, they'll flank you.
Whatever. Yeah. I've been doing it, dude. I have no chance.
Ethan?
Yeah.
Decide! I got him. I got your foot.
Huh. Well.
Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aren't you special?
This is all going on the vlog. I'm getting bullets. I have to count to 15. Well, we will, but then your gun jammed.
Hey,
Yeah.
Ian.
Yeah,
Ready?
sure. Why not? Me and my pink clip.
And Ian, 3, 2, 1, fall, go up. Follow me. You're gonna be our heavy. I'm gonna be the light class.
Oh, video. Oh, video.
Oh wow,
Yeah, beauty.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. You ready? Flank to the left. Or should we go right? You walk it back. Just keep checking.
There he is.
Don't worry. Hey, just get him off. That's on a small fry. We want the big fish. Just make sure he doesn't get any ground on it. Hey, Ian. Okay.
Wait, dude, you wanna call it your talk? Dude, is it? What's yours? Right now, closer. Dude, whoa, I'm vlogging. This is actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. We got all like cameras and stuff.
What are you saying though?
With you guys' base is like over there, right?
Yeah.
Like in between the corner.
Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't for sure because last time we changed it up and we
did.
we had the same base, so I didn't know.
Alright.
Okay, cool. I'll walk back and.
It's the highest rate of radiation in this tiny, pitiful rock. And the fact they never took
Hey, they're behind you. Did you hear? Dude, I'm gonna get a kill. Who's still in? Hey, let's fall back to our base. Fall back to our base, okay? I haven't got out. Oh, yeah. Got you, Dane, in the. Ooh. Just fall back.
Okay. Get that gun. Okay. I'm probably gonna die anyway, so get that gun. You go reload it, and I'll try to get a life for both of these. Run. Go.
Give me mine. Not enough dark.
Oh, sure, guys. Thanks.
I can't charge them. Because if I miss, I only get one shot. Can I take this? More dark. More dark. I'm hoping to do some Nerf Wars over the summer.
Back in the game. Don't judge my little. Let's go.
Here, you watch the left. I got Ethan. He can't do damage with his pistols or any damage to me. The shield, boy. That's like blurp. Flank! Flank! Go, go, go! Behind you! Got him!
Got him!
Oh, there goes my revenge and sweet paint job.
Okay, got me. I need to reload.
Well, I'm not too good at yarding.
It's the highest rank of radiation.
Was that good shooting or what? I know I shot him a lot, but I got him, right? I got him like a good 5 times.
No, my beautiful paint job. Oh. I know. Well, on the grass. It fell on the blacktop.
They're both there.
Hey, Ian, hold them.
Okay, we're both on
Yeah, let's hold them here.
He's watching us, so that was pathetic. If you didn't know what we were doing, we were trying to distract him. Yeah, dude, I need to follow you, subscribe. Once we leave, you need to subscribe me so I can look at your videos. I'm just trying to reload. This gun holds so much. The dots are like squishy. They're like melting.
I know, well, it's so hot out here.
Especially on the blacktop.
Huh?
Especially on the blacktop. We're gonna get flanked. Oh yeah, guys, don't judge me for being bad enough. Your garden's nice.
Heads up behind you. You watch. Help. I got him. I'll replay on the footage and see.
There you go. The one time. Did I get you? No. Really? You really did. Okay.
That was beautiful. I saw it, or I got him. Yeah.
So you're trying to prank him? What are you trying to?
Yeah, boy.
How many dots? Okay, you get him over there, and I'll reload.
I'm good. Let's fall back. I'll reload here. Give me the clip. I can reload pretty fast. Take the shield. Fall back to her. You got me. Yeah. 1, 2.
No, we have to do that.
Yeah.
Captain Obvious.
I'm gonna pick up darts.
Oh, that doesn't go high at all.
But you only fired 1 dart.
Yeah.
If it doesn't have more than 2 darts. It's so hot.
Yeah, guys. If I'm huffing and stuff and he's puffing, we're both like faces red. It's like 95, like
230 degrees out here.
but like in all seriousness, it's like 95 degrees out here. And like, okay, guys.
They're on me like,
Guys, serious talk now. Nook Rotter's house. Doesn't that look like one of those like pizza places at like Chicago? You know, like where you'd go and get pizza. Like there's even a speaker. Like you literally.
Hey, Turkey, your large pepperoni pizza is ready.
You live in a pizza factory.
I do not.
Yeah, you do.
You just wasted all your ammo.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get him.
No worries. Here, I got him. Hey, no, let him shoot. Woo. I gotta get in the sun where I can see the darts.
Got you.
Yeah! 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 Woo! High five.
Woo! Okay. Let's reload and get that Ethan out. Did you get
No,
Ethan
he's
too?
out.
Wait, oh, Dane's still in?
No, they're also out.
So, both out? Nice.
It's so hot.